This video belongs to relaxingend channel, so all credit goes to him. Hey guys, today we have a special phone from POCO. So let's open this case and unbox our mystery POCO phone. Wow, this is the POCO X5 Pro smartphone, or gaming phone. Whatever, we are going to test games in this smartphone anyway. In the box we get this 67-watt charger. And it also comes with phone. Remember, we are not talking about Apple here. They are just removing everything in the box. One day we have to buy the phone separately too. Mystery box from POCO. Let's see what kind of stuff POCO sends us. A drink, but there is no drink in the can. Headband. T-shirt with POCO branding. And the shopping bag, but there is no food inside. Let's do some gaming, but before that, guys. The money this channel makes, we are going to donate, and help poor kids, so I just have a small request to you guys. Subscribe if you don't, and share this video with your family and friends. If you guys help me that much, so I can able to help them. Thank you so much.
Hardpoint identified. Locked in. We've taken the lead. Swarm ready. Chopper gunner is ready to deploy. Hardpoint is ours. Swarm ready. Friendly nuke is ready. Hardpoint contested. Boarding. Friendly nuke has been launched. Friendly nuke has been launched.
CarX Street. It's a good game. Some subscribers suggested me to try it. Graphics are insanely good. It's like GTA without guns.
Enemies ahead.
I hope you guys enjoy the video. Thanks for watching.